So here we are at Wasena Park. It has been raining for like 3 days straight, and it's still raining. And obviously, this is the result. I don't know if you guys can see this bridge. It's the Greenway walking bridge. It's fucking covered, and there's people on it. I'd be afraid it would be like washed away like that bridge in Dante's Peak as I trip. Here's the playground. Let's go sit on the bench. The skate park is clear though. Last time I feel like it was flooded, but it's not today. So if it's any indication, that bridge is 20 feet above the actual water, and the water's going over it, so shit up in this bitch.